Good afternoon, everyone. It's Krista. How are you doing? Welcome to a quick pop-up Mary Kay skincare. I gotta take my glasses off, because I can't clean my face with my glasses on. I've worked all night. I've run around all day. I'm going to be heading to bed, so I'm going to be doing my nighttime treatment. I just happen to do it in the afternoon. So those of you tuning in for the first time, you know that I'm a new Mary Kay consultant. I've been doing this for about 3 months, having lots of fun. I've got several team members of my own. I've got Jennifer, Michelle, Lori, and Darlene. Darlene we don't ever see online because she really doesn't do the Facebook thing. And most of my virtual classes I'm doing on Facebook. So let's get started. I'm going to wash up my face. I'm just going to give it a quick splash. You'll hear water running in the background. Hold on one moment. Husband was going to come out and get in the middle of my live demo here. Okay. So we're using the Timewise 4-in-1 cleanser. It's the 3D age defying. It has natural exfoliant mixed in with it. I forgot to show you, you just need a very little bit of the products. Most of our products in the tubes that they come in, they're going to last a good 30 days. Some of the tubes will last a little bit longer because, you're only doing them twice a week. The face cleansing, particularly with us wearing the masks every day, I'm a nurse in case you don't already know that. I'm doing my face twice a day because those masks just make your faces clog up. And I'm fair-skinned and kind of acne prone even though I'm 53 years old. But you wouldn't know it by looking at my skin. Our skin is our largest organ. We really have to take care of it. Here we go. Let me rinse my hands here. Now, I have my special Mary Kay washcloth. I'm going to get that wet. I'm also going to pull my hair up here to do the rest of this because the mask can get very messy in my hair. There we go. I've got some stranglers just kind of holding up there. Alright. You can just splash your face if you like. But for the quick virtual class, I'm just going to wipe it down with my Mary Kay washcloth. Because I'm going to be doing my Mary Kay mask. I do that twice a week. I'm going to be doing that next. And I'll be using this washcloth because it's dark. It doesn't show up the dark masking, even after you wash it several times. If you're using a white cloth, you may get little remnants of dark from the clay and the peppermint and the other mints and the wonderful ingredients. Alright, Mary Kay clear masking, clear proof mask. And again, we just use a little bit of these products. I have a little mask applicator, but I don't have it yet. I ordered it. It didn't come in yet. So it's hard to tell, but I just have that little bit. I may need just a tiny bit more. No, I think this is just about the right amount. Oh, I love the smell. There's a teeny bit of peppermint extract. This really helps tighten up, clean out the pores and tighten up the skin. There we go. I don't put too much on my upper lip because I've had a couple of little basal cell cancers there. I had a big basal cell right up here that I just had removed 2 weeks ago surgically. I mean, I actually had, the simple surgery, the freezing. She actually cut that mole off. She froze a spot here. but the one on my nose needed further treatment and evaluation. So she sent me to a doctor, colleague of hers, another dermatologist that's a surgical dermatologist. And so 2 weeks ago I had to have that removed in his office. But it's all good, all clear. Yay. Moral of that story, wear the sunscreen. Again, I mentioned I have fair skin. Luckily I have brown eyes with the fair skin. My sister has the blue eyes, blonde hair, just like my daughter, and they're much more prone to sunburns, which makes them more prone to sun cancer, as studies are, been showing now for the past 20 years. So we need to let this mask sit for about, 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'm probably not going to do more than 8 minutes because I don't think I'm going to talk that long today. It's been a long day. I'm ready for my nap. So, like I said, I've been doing Mary Kay for quite a while. You always have opportunities with me to do hostess parties, to become a consultant. Right now, they're still doing a great deal, $30 to join as a Mary Kay consultant, and then you're able to place, your orders immediately. We do a launch party. You have a party, you get orders, and you have to have, of course, a minimum amount to be able to get your really good discount, but everybody is able to get the 50% discount. My first order, I had a really great party. I had the immediate 50% discount after 2 orders from just a couple, 2 different customer orders. I had about 10 customers on my first order, so it really, like I said, it really was great, and I've been having a lot of fun. This is just starting to get a little bit tacky, and you want it to be, a little more tacky, almost dry, before you're going to take it off. So when I take this off, I'm going to be doing my Timewise night cream, which also is the Timewise Age Defying 3D night cream. It has a lot of great stuff in it. I'm going to put my glasses on. It has a patented ingredient, resveratrol. It has vitamin B3. It has a special Japanese apricot extract, which helps promote collagen growth, which you need for the elasticity and youth looking of your skin. So, this is going good. Almost done. We're going to let it hang out for just another minute or two. I think I mentioned that I'm looking for hostesses. When you host a hostess party, right now it's all virtual, so it's really no stress, no pressure. Someone's not going to be in your house, saying you have to buy something, and your friends don't have to feel pressure because everything is online. We just can't get out there right now with COVID. It's just too easy to, we just don't want to be exposed. We don't want you to be exposed. We don't want us to be exposed to anything. So when we do a virtual party, we put you on a Facebook page. We name it, Krista's Virtual Pampering Party, or whatever name you want to have, whatever title you want it to say. It can be party night. It could be skincare night. It could be fun, fun girls night. It could be skincare pajama night. Just, the sky's the limit. And you can earn about $50 free product. Just for having the party, you're going to get gifts from me. Right now I'm doing this nice trial size, which is a travel size, of our satin hands. The bigger set of the satin hands is right back here in my, this is my Mary Kay all travel kit with all of my goodies. I keep my satin items in here. That would be satin hands and my satin lips. So we've got the satin hands. That's the pump bottle for the scrub wash. It's a very light scrub. I do satin hands about twice a week. Pretty much when I'm doing, my mask, I would do satin hands. You have the satin hands softening, which is a very thick emollient cream, unscented. And then we have the satin hands cream, which goes on after everything else has been done. So it's a 3-step process. It's wonderful. This is unscented. I like unscented. I'm very sensitive to too many smells. And then, while I've got my satin bag out, let me just show you. We've got the satin lips. We've got our satin scrub. And we've got the satin lips balm. This is a $22 set for these two. And again, you only use these twice a week. You make your lips super smooth, kissable, and this will last a really long time, over a month. The satin hands, I've had this one, I just got these bottles about 2 weeks ago, and I've only used, I've only used this little bit so far of the big pump. So that's really a long lasting. The other one lasted me, I think, about 6 weeks. The satin hand set is $34, and you get the 3 pieces. Okay, what do we say we take this mask off? Now, our masks are not a peeling mask. You don't ever want to have a mask on your face that's peeling, because you actually open the pores, stretch the pores. You can peel them, scar them. It kind of messes up the elastin and the collagen that we were just talking about, that we're trying to promote with the cream that we'll be putting on. I just kind of soak my face for a moment. And then it all just wipes right off. Uh-oh, I uncovered a gray spot. Okay, good enough. I think I've got all that out of there. I'll go around the edge of my face again real good. Sometimes I get a few drippy spots down here. I'm getting the rest of my hair back again. I always have flyaway little strands that want to go where they want to go and not where the rubber band is. Okay, we're done with that. I'm just going to pat my face dry. Purple, of course. Alright. Okay, we can do my night cream. This is the one that has the collagen builder. This time I'll show you how much we use. That's just about a pea size. You notice I put it on my little ring finger? We only want to use these outside fingers to rub on our face whenever possible. We're going up and outward, up and outward. It's kind of hard on the chin to do up and outward, but we want to push up, 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 because gravity is always pulling down, down. So we've got to work against gravity, help the skin push up. That's that. I'm going to do just a teeny bit more because I like to get, and that's not even half a pea size. I like to do my neck. I don't like to forget my neck. The décolleté, your neck comes all the way down to here. You notice I have just a little bit of splotchiness. That's because I have rosacea. Like I said, I'm very prone to acne. That's from the rosacea. Interesting fact about rosacea,